Hello! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out TEMU earnings. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you need to do is open up TEMU app and you need to log in to your account. Then tap this U on the bottom middle part of the screen. Then you'll find here your login account. Now, to cash out your account, you need to tap this earn credits and free gifts. So just tap that and then you'll go right through here where you can earn your money in different way. Now, to redeem your cash to PayPal, all you need to do is tap this redeem cash. Now you're already inside. And right here in this page where you can redeem your coins, you can spin the wheel, you can refer your friends to earn your cash. Then once you earn your cash, you can actually redeem it by cash out to PayPal. And as you can see here, if you scroll down, you will find some instruction. So when you complete all the tasks right here, you can redeem your cash or coins. Now you can see the 3 ways right here to earn your money. So first, refer friends with your link. Second is spin the wheel to earn coins. And third is redeem your star coins for cash. So that's how you basically cash out your earnings. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!